everyone, my name is Shai, and today I'm reacting to some more Mew Suppasit. This time I'm reacting to his track that he released a month ago. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out when I'm going to release this video. Yeah, about a month ago. And it's called Summer Fireworks. From what I saw on the on Twitter, this was inspired by a fan, I do believe. Let me see if we can find the story. Mew Summer Fireworks story. I do believe, yeah, it was like inspired by a fan who unfortunately, I want to double check it because I don't want to get this wrong. I know I sent it, oh my gosh, I have to go through DMs from a month ago. Give me a minute. I do, yeah, if I remember correctly, this was inspired by a fan. So let me see if I can go find it. Oh, I'm not gonna find it. Hold on. Summer Fireworks. I'll just do the good old Twitter search. So I remember I saw it, like what the story was about and everything, and it like completely broke my heart. Sorry, I'm really determined to find this. Summer Fireworks. Okay, inspiration. Let's see if I can find inspiration. Because I remember it was like inspired by a fan, and like the fan's name was Summer, if I remember correctly, and she wrote a letter. Yes, here we go. So yeah, her name was Summer, and he was inspired by her. And I remember correctly, she passed away. Yeah, she passed away, and I legitimately like was crying about the thing. And so I guess it's like, So yeah, this was partly inspired by a fan who unfortunately passed away. She did write a letter to him, and he got the inspiration for that. So I do apologize if this intro is kind of long. I just wanted to make sure that I was right in what I was about to say. So yeah, I'm excited to see this. This is a song all in English, so I'm very intrigued and very excited to see how this goes. And I hope I don't cry too much. So without further ado, this is Mew Suppasit with Summer Fireworks. Here we go.
That always look at me as a prime holiday.
the story behind it. Oh my god. Not knowing the story behind it makes it even sadder. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh, I need a minute. Okay. So yeah, so this song was a gift for a Mew lion who passed away last year. Mew read her letter and promised to give her a gift, and this is the gift. And knowing that, oh. Knowing that story, makes listening to this, making this story, making the music video and the lyrics even more heartbreaking, you know? It's just like, hold on. Let me read the lyrics. Like, you know, your eyes that always look at me, they're so bright more than anything. I want you to know your hand that always holds me makes me warm when the weather is cold. I want you to stay. We ignite the light in the summer night. Their flower blooms in the sky, but suddenly the flowers that bloom in the sky suddenly fade away like you and me. When the summer is gone and you wake me right here, all I want to say is I miss you. I want to see you again. Please come back to me. We ignite the light in the summer night. Their flowers bloom in the sky suddenly fades away like you and me when the summer is gone and you wake me right here. All I want to say, I miss you. I want to see you again. Please come back to me. So, knowing the story now, I honestly probably, even listening to this, I probably would have teared up a little bit even if I didn't know the story, because the song in itself is kind of heartbreaking. I kind of had, I don't know why, but like watching this music video, because the little girl was wearing the same clothes except for like nighttime and when they went outside. So I kind of had that sinking feeling that maybe, you know, she was a ghost or like she was the, so, and then like there was everything covered up in the house too, so I was kind of curious about that. But anyway, this was a very beautiful song, definitely a special tribute for that beloved Mew lion. But I feel like this song also is kind of a good song for those who you miss dearly as well. You know, it's like all I want to say is like I miss you, you know, I want to see you again. But like suddenly, you know, just like fireworks, you're here, but then you're suddenly not here. So like life is, I feel like kind of like fireworks. Like you can be lit up for a long time, but then you slowly, like, you know, I guess fade away. And so it's just like, you know, definitely cherish those who you love, because they could be gone. It's just like summer fireworks. Summer fireworks, I guess you could say also, summer fireworks is like a beautiful memory. They pop up once in a while, then they suddenly fade away, but whenever you do remember them, it's like you remember the most beautiful time in your life. It's like a beautiful memory for you. Summer fireworks, like, cause like, you know, seeing fireworks for the first time, you're so amazed, so yeah, I guess amazed, and it's like very special, very pretty, and it's just like definitely remembering summer fireworks is like, it's like remembering that beautiful, precious moment in time with that person, and it's like, now I miss you. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. This was such a beautiful tribute. Definitely such a beautiful song. Although it is a bit sad, it's definitely a nice song to listen to if you're missing that special someone. So yeah, hopefully guys enjoy this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.